This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kevin Parfit. Just listed, absolute best value in Lakewood Ranch. Recently updated 222 single-family home in the highly desirable gated community of Central Park. This open concept floor plan was built in 2010 and is very energy efficient, thanks to block construction and a newer AC installed in 2019. This move-in ready home has recently been upgraded with new flooring, plumbing fixtures, lights and paint, just to name a few. You can't find a better location in Lakewood Ranch and boasts the top-ranked school district with the elementary, middle school and high school all located just outside the community gates. The Central Park community amenities include walking paths, tennis courts, park with a splash pad, pavilion and 2 dog parks. This well-designed floor plan seldom comes on the market. Contact listing agent with any questions and/or to schedule a quick showing. For more information, review the details below.